Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen onion rings in the air fryer. What we need is a package of frozen onion rings, an air fryer, and a cooking spray. So the first step is let's take out the air fryer basket and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray so the onion rings don't stick. Next, I'm going to open a package of frozen onion rings. And now let's put the onion rings in the air fryer. And let's put this in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the onion rings so they brown evenly. And let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the onion ring. Perfectly cooked, brown and crispy. Look how crispy they are. Look how easy it was to cook these frozen onion rings in the air fryer. Now let's try one. So crispy, amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.